Okay, we have a Hyundai-Kia vertical machining center, model VX500, serial number G3684-1082. This machine was new in 2008 and we are running it. Machine has a FANUC OI-MD control. You have 41.7 inches of X travel, 20.1 of Y, 25 of Z. Running at 1500 RPM. You have a side mount tool changer, 24 ATC. We've gone up now, 3000 RPM. You have a 47.2 by 19.7 T-slotted table, 5000 RPM. Again, it goes up to 10. 6500. Okay.
Tool change.
Yep, moving the X-axis into position. We're going to do a tool change. Just finding the tool. Advancing the carousel. We're going to simulate the tool change. There you go. Do another. There you go. Okay. That's your X. Y. And Z. This machine also is equipped with coolant through spindle. We do have a chip auger that goes into a chip conveyor. The machine is 20 horsepower. Hey, thank you for watching our video.